Hello, green thumbs. Ever wished for houseplants that could withstand a little neglect? Well, today's your lucky day. We're exploring the top resilient houseplants that simply refuse to die. Let's dive right in. First up is the snake plant. Perfect for low light conditions and known for its air-purifying qualities, this plant practically takes care of itself. Next, meet the Zedy plant. With its glossy, waxy leaves, it adds elegance to any room and won't mind if you occasionally forget to water. Here comes pothos, the trailing vine with heart-shaped leaves. This versatile plant thrives in both bright and low light settings. Say hello to the spider plant. Its arching variegated leaves effortlessly brighten up any space, and it adapts easily to various light conditions. Now on to aloe, the hardy succulent with thick, spiky leaves. It not only looks good, but offers medicinal benefits as well. Meet the peace lily. Its drooping leaves will let you know when it's thirsty, and it bounces back quickly once you water it. Next in line is the Chinese evergreen, a plant that adapts well to different light levels and even withstands dry air. Introducing the cast iron plant. As the name suggests, it's nearly indestructible and brings boldness to any room with its large leathery leaves. Check out the Jade Plant. This succulent loves bright light and can endure occasional neglect, making it ideal for beginners. Feast your eyes on the ponytail palm. This stylish plant has a unique, swollen base that thrives in bright light. Let's talk about the rubber plant. Its large, glossy leaves can survive in low light and still stay vibrant. If you're tight on space, consider Haworthia. Its compact size and intricate leaf patterns make it a real showstopper. The Swiss cheese plant. Its artistic, fenestrated leaves make it not only resilient, but a showstopper in any room. Next is the Christmas cactus. It's not just a seasonal favorite, but also extremely resilient, adding a festive touch when you least expect it. Lastly, meet the Boston fern. Despite its delicate appearance, it's a resilient choice and can thrive even if you miss a watering session. Well, that wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe for more amazing videos.